Hi, welcome to RSH Network. Before we start working with commands and system, it's important to understand what Linux actually is, why it exists, and why it's one of the most important technologies in modern IT. So, what is Linux? Linux is an open source operating kernel. It is the core software that manages hardware, memory, process, storage, and operating systems allows user and application to communicate with the hardware. Linux performs this role efficiently, securely, and reliably. When we talk about Linux in practice, we usually mean a Linux distribution which combines the kernel with system tools, libraries, and application. Why Linux is so important? Linux power a massive part of today's technology landscape. It is used in enterprise servers, data centers, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP, containers and DevOps tool, supercomputers and embedded system. Because of its stability, security, and flexibility, Linux is the preferred operating system. Key characteristics of Linux. Linux has several defining features. Anyone can view, modify, and distribute the source code. Multiple users can work on the system at the same time. Multiple processes can run simultaneously. Strong permission and access control model. Stable and reliable. Designed for long running systems. These features make Linux ideal for enterprise environments. So, what is the difference between Linux and other operating systems? Unlike desktop focused operating system, Linux is built with performance, automation, and scalability in mind. Most enterprise Linux systems are managed using command line, script, and automation tools, remote access over the network. That's why this course focuses heavily on hands-on practice. What you will do in this course now? In this course, you will not just learn definition, you will work directly in Linux, RHEL 9 systems, practice real administrative tasks, build skills used by system administration in production environment. Every concept you learn will be enforced with hands-on labs. What's next? In the next lesson, we will explore open source software, how it works, and why it plays such a critical role in Linux and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Linux is not just a operating system, it's a foundational skill for modern IT professional. Let's continue to the next lesson and start building the foundation. Thank you.